Alrighty, I wish I could make the background different and have this as my background because it's so much cuter. Like, look at this. It's just like aesthetically pleasing. It's all white. But I can't because this is all the sun. Let me turn the light on. If you can tell, the background is really dark because the light makes this noise and it's super annoying, so I just turn it off every single time I film. And I usually turn it off when I study and I just go from my window. So, I'm out of breath of talking. As you can tell by the title, I'm going to be prepping for Valentine's Day. And like, this is really stupid, but I thought it'd be kind of cute because I don't really want to do like a makeup routine for Valentine's Day because like, I'm not good at makeup really. But I just put a little bit on because I was walking around and I kept seeing people that I know and I was like, yikes, I look so gross right now because I didn't have anything on. And I like just woke up and I went to get breakfast and then I went to my nurse and I did all that. It's 11:45, but I was actually really in here making coffee before. I was procrastinating a lot, but that's because I was waiting to eat until 11. But now I have homework to do. So the first step for prepping for Valentine's Day, which is on Friday, and today is Wednesday. I have Wednesday, Thursday, then Friday is Valentine's Day. But prepping, I have to get all my homework done before so that I'm just relaxing all weekend because it is a longer weekend for me. I don't have classes on Monday, but I also babysit in Montclair, so I don't actually have work from Wednesday to Wednesday because the family is going on a little ski trip, which is really cool because I ski also and we were talking about it a lot. So I am going to be prepping by doing my homework, all of it, getting it done today, especially the assignments that are due Sunday and Friday because I just want to relax and have a great weekend with my family, my boyfriend, and maybe if I see my brother, that'd be really cool. I don't know if I'm going to Pennsylvania, but we'll see. So I'm doing that and then I'm going to put in teeth whitener because my teeth are super yellow, so I'm going to do that while I study. So let's do this. Okay, this is a teeth whitener I use. It is just dental whitening treatment. The packaging is from my Christmas vlog. What I got for Christmas, that's it, that's what I use. I've also gotten these new The Ordinary skincare things. I had the niacinamide little droplet thing, which is working amazing. My scarring is going away. I don't know if you can tell, I don't really wear face makeup at all, just eyes. So, all natural. I'm also like pink toned. I have a lot of pink in my cheeks because like heat makes me fluctuate, but I'm literally sweating right now. Okay, so I get really red, but my acne scars show a lot when I'm really red, so I don't like that. So the niacinamide from The Ordinary is helping me out tremendously, and I highly recommend it. I might take some before and after photos, so we'll see. But I've been using their squalene cleanser, and then the vitamin C suspension 30% in silicone, which is like a morning and night lotion. So I do the cleanser in the shower, and then I put the niacinamide on. I like rub it in, let it sit a little bit, and then I put on the lotion before I go to sleep. I don't really do it in the morning because I don't really have time when I do have classes. It's at 8:30 in the morning and I don't really like waking up early, so I wake up at 8:15 and I run to my classes. I run to all of my classes. People know me here for fast walking. Like, they're like, oh, you're the girl that like literally runs across the hallway. I'm like, yeah, that's me. So, new skincare and teeth whitening strips. Let's try it out. Discard before use. Okay. Discarded. That's what it looks like. So this is the top. And then you fold it over, and it only gets the front because like who needs the back to be white? Not me. And these are the bottoms. Ah. Okay, they're in. The bottom ones always move out and I end up spitting them out halfway through. But these stay in for 30 minutes. I'm gonna fix the bottom one and then I'm gonna get doing my homework. It is now 30 minutes later. I took out the teeth whitening. They may be a little whiter. I don't really know. But I'm still doing Spanish homework because I need to get all my homework done before. Ooh, it's asking me if I want a timeout. No, I'm still doing it. I'm gonna finish all my homework and then the next thing I do is probably going to be going to the gym maybe. I don't know, we'll see. Oh, I need to do my nails. I bought this dip kit from Kiss, so we'll test it out. I did it before and I liked it a lot. It just was a little lumpy, but that was my first time doing it, so we're gonna do it again. Hopefully it turns out really good because I want my nails to be red to match my dress. And